Hi guys, I'm showing you this silicone mold. These are the ice mold of different shapes to make your drink fun. So you can see it's been made of very nice silicone shells. This is the diamond shaped one, so it's very nice crafted. This one is the thing like where you can just put in the water so that everything is goes very smoothly inside it, and you can then get the whole shape. So if you put say the water, so it will go in all the four, and when it start coming outside means it's all filled up. So same is like there is a different shapes. So one is the spherical shape, other is the cubical shape, and you can just pack it, put in the water. So see, this the spherical shape. So it's a nice quality one, and I will say that it will just hold well and stand well. This is the cubical one with the cover, so you can just put it after putting in the water. So you can see like it's a very close one, so it's like a waterproof. Water will not come, so I'm just putting in water in all different shapes and then putting it in my refrigerator. So after a day I'm just opening these ones just to show you how this thing comes out. So you can see like it's a nice spherical shapes that comes from this ice molds. So this is some extra water that of course you can trim, or you can just take it out like this. So I just put in the glass. Looks really nice, the spherical shapes, and you can just put in your drink and enjoy that. So this one is the diamond shaped one that you can see that how it comes out from my refrigerator. So this is a nice like the diamond shape from the top. So the eyes are they shaped really well, and the cubical ones is much better because of the sections, and you can see like each cube is really nice and handy. So these cubes are really nice and fun to have in the drinks, so no wonder it's the boring drinks. Very nice pack and straight for the ice cubes.